Okay, so this is how I put my cake liner para ma-avoid natin yung mga maraming folds at para mas mabilis. Okay, so I have a 6-inch pan. This is for the burnt bast cheesecake kasi kailangan mong mas mataas yung iyong liner. Alright? So this is the baking paper. Fold it into 4. Okay, so once na-fold mo na siya into 4, kunin mo yung center, yung pan, okay? And maglagay ka lang ng mark by folding the side. So, ito yung side ng pan para may guide ka. And then, fold, fold. And since may guide ka na do sa cake, okay, you just slice midway. Okay? So, slice, cut, midway, para lang mabawasan yung mga folds. Alright? So, sides, sides, okay, cut. Alright. And then, grease your pan with coconut oil. Grease your baking paper on a flat surface or table para mas madali. Okay? And then, put them on your baking pan. Okay? So, mas less ang fold, mas madaling ilagay, okay? And mas mapapaganda yung gawa natin sa ating burnt cheesecake. Yun. Pwede mo na siyang i-fold sa sides. Okay. So, you're ready to bake. More Bake Smart tips with Coach J.